The random walk hypothesis has been widely used in financial theory that stock market prices evolve according to a random walk. Therefore, price changes are purely random and unpredictable. In this tutorial, we will show that a random walk model is similar to an autoregressive model with order 1. Similar to our previous model on AR modeling, we will define a function to plot the autocorrelation ACF and partial autocorrelation PACF plots from stats model package. Next, we will define a function to generate random walk data. For time equals 0, the data is simply a random number. And for subsequent time steps, the current data is the sum of the previous data and a random number. Next, we will visualize the random walk data. As shown below, it looks highly non-stationary. Next, we will analyze the autocorrelation characteristics of the random walk data. The PACF plots shows a strong dependence on one previous leg with a magnitude of 1. So the random walk data suggests that it is a AR1 model with a magnitude of 1. So in order to confirm the hypothesis, we will perform an AR analysis with the order 1, and the analysis is consistent with our hypothesis. Next, we would like to claim that a random walk model is not the same as random Gaussian white noise. To show this, we define a function to generate random Gaussian white noise and analyze its autocorrelation characteristics. So we can see that for a random Gaussian white noise, there is no autocorrelation at all. Whereas if you go back to see the random walk, there is a autocorrelation for one previous leg. This concludes the video on the random walk model. The code can be downloaded below. Feel free to comment below and subscribe to our channel for more video updates. Thank you.